Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then share, comment on videos. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for a new video notification.
When you keep seeing an orange and white cat, what does it mean? His sign indicates upcoming positive outcomes in your life, like good fortune, new adventure, good health, peace, protection, spiritual growth, and joy.